Welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Zemits UltraGlow Portable Ultrasound LED System. In this guide, we will take you through the steps to effectively use this device to enhance your skincare routine. The Zemits UltraGlow Ultrasound and LED system is a great combination of technologies for every esthetician to provide advanced treatments for their clients. This redesigned portable facial system uses ultrasound therapy in LED light to treat a wide range of skin concerns such as acne, signs of aging, dry and sensitive skin, wrinkles, pigmentation. Operation. Let's start by unboxing the Zemits UltraGlow. The package contains UltraGlow device, power cord, charging base, replaceable ultrasound head for body treatments, replaceable ultrasound and LED head for facial treatments, protective goggles. Before you start using the device, make sure it's fully charged. Connect the charging cable to the device and plug it into the power adapter. We recommend a full charge cycle of 8 hours if the battery power is drained completely. Once the device is charged, press and hold the power button for a few seconds. You will see the device's display light up. Treatment protocol. Step 1. Preparing the skin. Cleanse your skin to remove any makeup or impurities. Apply a water-based serum or conductive gel to the treatment area. This helps the ultrasound waves penetrate the skin effectively. Step 2. Ultrasound therapy. Turn on the UltraGlow device. Press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds. Select the mode, 1M for body ultrasound, 3M for facial LED and ultrasound. Select the LED function on the device. Choose the LED color that suits the skin concern. For anti-aging, red light is commonly used. Blue light instigates release of ATP, fights inflammation and bad bacterial growth. Green light specifically targets rosacea, sensitive skin, renews skin and capillaries. Start with a low to medium intensity setting to ensure your skin's tolerance. Move the ultrasound probe in circular motions over the treatment area. Ensure the probe maintains contact with the skin at all times. Continue the treatment for the recommended time specified in the user manual. Post-treatment care. After treatment, gently clean the ultrasound probe with a suitable disinfectant. Apply a hydrating and nourishing serum or moisturizer. Finish with a sunscreen if your treatment was performed during the daytime. How to use your device at home. Before using the UltraGlow, ensure that your skin is clean and free from any makeup or skincare products. Apply a water-based serum or conductive gel to the treatment area for better results. Press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds. Select the mode, 1M for body ultrasound, 3M for facial LED and ultrasound. To activate the ultrasound function, tap the ultrasound icon on the touchscreen. You can adjust the intensity levels to suit your comfort. For LED therapy, tap the LED icon on the screen. Choose the LED color that corresponds to your skincare goals, such as red for anti-aging or blue for acne treatment. Gently move the ultrasound probe in circular motions over your skin, keeping the probe in contact with the skin at all times. Use this technique for the desired duration, as per the user manual's recommendations. After your treatment, clean the ultrasound probe with a gentle disinfectant. Apply your favorite skincare products for maximum benefits. To turn off the UltraGlow, press and hold the power button. The device will power down, and you can unplug it. The Zemits UltraGlow Portable Ultrasound LED system can be combined with other portable skincare devices or used in conjunction with various products to enhance your results. Ultrasonic Skin Scrubbers. The Zemits SonoSilk device uses ultrasonic waves to exfoliate and clean the skin. They can be used before using the UltraGlow to enhance the penetration of products. Microcurrent devices. Portable microcurrent devices, such as VivoTite or CellTite, are designed to stimulate facial muscles, resulting in a firmer and lifted appearance. You can use them in combination with the UltraGlow for more comprehensive facial rejuvenation. Congratulations, you've just learned how to use the Zemits UltraGlow portable ultrasound LED system to enhance your skincare routine. Remember to refer to the user manual for specific treatment times and frequency. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your rejuvenated skin. We are delighted to welcome you to our Zemits family.